Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and eliminating simple culprits. First, backup documents to an external drive or cloud so you can change system files safely. Then run chkdsk/f to fix file system errors and check SMART for drive health. Bad storage leads to crashes. Once done, open Settings Windows Update and Device Manager to install pending updates and display or chipset drivers. Outdated drivers often cause instability, so make sure those are current before moving on. Now you isolate offending software and drivers to find the root cause. Boot into safe mode to see if crashes persist. If stable, a third-party app or driver is the issue. Next, perform a clean boot. Disable non-Microsoft startup programs and services in MS-config, then reboot and re-enable items one by one to identify the offender. For drivers, roll back recent updates or reinstall the hardware driver from Device Manager. Test after each change so you know which action stops the crashes. For persistent crashes, you repair system corruption and consider system refresh options. Run sfc/scano to fix corrupted files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. Restart and retest. If problems remain, perform an in-place upgrade or reset Windows while keeping personal files to restore system integrity. Finally, if crashes still occur, open Event Viewer and copy exact error ID. Then run RAM and PSU tests. This troubleshooting detail helps you or a technician pinpoint failing hardware or drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.